for today's recipe, this is the ingredients we'll be using. We have our lettuce. It's just a 3 ingredient salad recipe. So we have our lettuce, our tomatoes, and onion. For the tomatoes, please do not use those very soft tomato. No, make sure you are using the one that it's strong, like it does not have water, plenty water in it. So that's the kind of tomato you are going to use for this recipe. So after that, go ahead and wash your lettuce and then slice it. I've already washed it before slicing it. Please make sure you wash it properly, like with plenty of water. Make sure you add salt, wash it properly. If not, when eating it, you not enjoy it because you'll be, testing salt, I say salt, sand in it. So that's it. So just go ahead and slice it. I enjoyed this salad recipe while growing up. It was my dad's favorite. And also for those that want to lose weight, you can, this is also good for you. Vegetarians is also good for you. If you are trying to lose weight, this is also good for you. So that's that. After slicing it, I went ahead to, pour it in a plate and keep it aside. Then the next is the onion. For the onion, just go ahead and cut it or slice it into smaller chunks. So don't worry when cutting or slicing, and notice that there are big ones among. Later, just use your knife to reduce the size. You also put it in a plate and keep it aside. Then the last but not the least is the tomatoes. For the tomatoes, we'll be removing the inside. Remove the seed. So after removing the seed, you just go ahead, wash it, and then cut it into smaller chunks. Cut it into smaller chunks, and that's just it. After that, you put it in a bowl and set it aside. This is very healthy, this is very healthy. This is a very healthy salad. So the next thing is to go ahead, pour the lettuce into a bigger bowl, pour in the tomatoes and then the onion. You can see how the color it's inviting, it's looking inviting, like it's calling your name, right? So you can see how it is very beautiful. The colors are popping. And the next thing is just go ahead and just mix everything, mix it properly. And that's just that. This is a very healthy, simple, easy salad recipe. So that's just that. You can see how it is. You can go ahead and enjoy this salad with your rice, or you can just eat it like that. So that's just it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.